Cultural awareness, intercultural sensitivity, and intercultural communication competence are among the most important and essential skills and values of the current modern world. Actually, when we live or work or stay in an intercultural environment or at an multicultural organization or working area, we have to improve the levels of our cultural awareness, our intercultural sensitivity, and our intercultural communication competencies. Actually, nowadays, there are many ever-growing multicultural areas, organizations, and even cities. And we have to focus on these important and essential skills and values, also modern values of human life. Before talking about intercultural sensitivity and intercultural communication competencies, we have to know what is culture, and we have to have some levels of intercultural awareness or cultural awareness. Actually, when we talk about culture, we know that culture encompasses of common values, beliefs, symbols, and behaviors among people who commonly live in a shared area with shared identities, and also in mostly in a same geographical area. Or culture is a big value or a big term that encompasses the common values, beliefs, behaviors, and symbols of people that enable other individuals or other people there to recognize them or identify them or consider them as members of particular society. And also, when we live in the current world, which is full of different cultures, different societies, and even multicultural areas, we have to have some levels of cultural awareness. We have to know at first the basic things or the basic information about our own culture, and know that what is culture. Have to know about the basic elements of culture, which are behaviors. Have to know about our own behaviors and also beliefs, values, and symbols. And also we have to know that there are different kinds of cultures and societies in the world. When there are different cultures, they have different values, different symbols, different beliefs, and different behaviors. That's why we have to recognize and acknowledge those differences and try to increase the levels of our information, the levels of our awareness, and the levels of our tolerance towards the differences, towards the different cultures. When we talk about intercultural sensitivity, actually intercultural sensitivity begins with our information and our tolerance towards cultures and different cultural norms and values and behaviors. Intercultural sensitivity actually the ways that individuals increase the levels of their awareness towards different cultures and their emotional things and their emotions towards the different cultures and their tolerance towards the different cultures and their attitudes towards the different cultures. When we know the differences of different cultures, acknowledge their differences, and also increase the levels of our tolerance towards different cultures, it means that we are in a good level of intercultural sensitivity. And intercultural sensitivity is the basic and the most essential phenomenon and part of the development of intercultural communication competence, because when we do not accept and acknowledge the differences between different cultures, we may not be able to interact properly with people of different cultures. That's why, to prevent any cultural shock and to be able to interact with different people based on our own demands and continue enjoyable and effective communication in a multicultural surrounding and setting, we have to increase the level of our cultural awareness, intercultural awareness, and intercultural sensitivity. Actually, intercultural communication competence is the abilities and skills that enable individuals to interact properly and effectively and to achieve their communicative goals in a multicultural setting of communication. When individuals interact with people of different cultures, actually people who have their different cultural values, beliefs, and symbols and interact differently, and when individuals are able to interact, to have empathy toward the differences, to know differences, to have tolerance toward the differences, and even different actions and reactions, when they continue their interactions and have control over the process of their interactions with people of different cultures, and also when they complete and finish the process of communication and interactions with people of different cultures and different norms and backgrounds, when they can achieve the aims of their interactions and communications properly, these points and situations indicate that individuals are in a good level of intercultural communication competence. Or these processes and these steps are the main and the basic points of intercultural communication competence. And the most important parts are actually personal competence, linguistic skills, cultural awareness and information, and also social and environmental awareness and information. All of these informations help individuals to be more active and successful in multicultural environments. I am Dr. Abdul Qahar Sarwari, professional of humanities, technology, and human communication. If you want to see more helpful videos, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.